Hey peeps, it's Andrakon. I am right in the middle, or near the end, of actually making a whole bunch of solar panels. I just need a little bit more stuff built. See, I need a whole bunch of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, I didn't have enough. I needed to put this here. Let's see, put that back. So I need 10 of these things. Let's see. 10. There we go. And throw that in there, and that should be all I need. So 1, 2. Why did you do that? Let's see. Oh, did I forget something? Yeah, I forgot to make these generators. Duh. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And for whatever reason, this battery didn't want to stack, so 5. There we go. 5 generators. Put that back, and put those 2 in there. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there we go. Now, hopefully, I can actually produce some stuff without constant spit and sputtering of all of my machines, and that should work pretty good right there. Okay, I'll go ahead and check this thing. Yeah, it's not doing too bad, and it's not generating anything in the generator, so yeah, everything seems to be keeping up pretty good now. That's good news, because it was a pain grabbing all those resources slowly. Okay, well, is this thing about ready? Just about. Might actually be ready to go ahead and make that last diamond block I've been waiting on forever. Okay, let me go ahead and let this thing fill up a bit and see if I got enough. I think I only needed like 3 diamonds. So I had 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, I actually needed 4 diamonds. Well, one way or another, I'll end up with enough diamonds. Even if I gotta transmute a bunch of crap. Let's see. Throw a diamond there. 5, 6, 7, 8. A little short, not a problem. What to throw away? What to throw away? There we go, that'll work. And there's my 9. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take the rest out and iron bars. Alright, get my bars back, and somehow I ended up with a negative balance. How'd that happen? That's odd. Alright, well, anyway, I've got what I needed. Go ahead and make my diamond block. Okay, go ahead and make sure this thing knows it. And see, what is next? I think I need a third one of these thingies. Oi. Okay. Or I could also make the other thing that goes in between them, but it honestly is best to do for your 4th thing. Let's see, do that. I needed a freaking furnace. Yep, furnace. Diamond block in the center. Bunch of glowstone everywhere, even some spares for no apparent reason. And glass and an energy collector. Okay, this one I'm going to throw in the wall. The reason why is because I'm going to be putting a energy collector right here, like a condenser or something. It'll draw from all the energy collectors that are attached to it. It'll go right in the center right here, and it needs to be touching them. So I got 3 of these, and that will speed everything up. Now I gotta wait forever and a year for some more diamond blocks, because I'm going to need like 2 more. Well, I think the next thing I'm going to put is the thingy in the center. But yeah, what to do now? I think I'll actually get started with forestry. So I'm going to need some bronze. So honestly, with forestry and such, for some reason or other nowadays, I can actually get bronze ingots straight from the ingots rather than have to mess with the dust nowadays. That's pretty nice. So I'm gonna need a bit of this stuff. Probably need more later, but this will do the trick for the moment. First thing, sturdy machine, like so. I'm actually going to need 2 of these because I'm making 2 different pieces of equipment. Let's see, what was the first one? First one was a carpenter. CRP, okay. Let's see, some bronze and glass. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. I can do that. No problem. No problem. Come on, erase that. So bronze and glass. Bronze and glass. I just need a little bit more bronze. Probably a little bit more than that. There we go. And it was like that. Glass on the top and bottom. Sturdy machine in the center. And I got a carpenter. And the next thing, let's see if I can remember how it was made. I honestly can't quite remember what it was called. It had some weird, funky name. So, sturdy machine. Hit the U key and you can see what it's used in. I needed, let's see, none of this, none of that, not that, not a fermenter. Not a rain tank. No wonder. So, not that. This one. Thermionic fabricator. Okay. Okay, chest. Okay, that I can do. I can do. No problem. Alright, I need to build a chest. Start off with that. Yeah. Okay, there's my chest. Some gold ingots, some glass, and the sturdy machine in the center. And, well, that's that. Now, jump down to my little basement here. It looks a bit dire, but what can you do? It's my temporary house. I'm gonna go ahead and check, say, this right here, and put this thing on the other side right here for now. And you can't do anything with these until you've powered them. Requires energy. Did you know this machine requires energy from an engine to function? Attach an engine and start it to allow production. What's the rest of this stuff? There's no recipe set up. Okay. No matching recipe was found for the supplied resources. I gotta put a recipe in this, I believe. And the owner is me. Well, that's obviously... yeah, it's gonna be that way. So, I need to provide power to these guys. Both of them work that same way. This guy doesn't seem to have a little thingy here saying it requires power, but I'm sure it does. Well, anyway, now these type of machines don't take your buildcraft power. They take something else. They take, actually, yeah, they take buildcraft. They don't take industrial craft. That's it. So I need to make some engines here. I'm probably gonna make a steam engine. I'm gonna need like 3 or 4 of them actually. Let's see. Let's try 4 of them. And of course, I don't have everything I need. I need more wood. Alright, that's enough wood. Yeah. 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Starts with 4. Starts with 4 of these things. All right. Pistons, regular pistons. Okay. All right. Next, I need a whole bunch of sticks. I'm going to need 8 sets of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need a whole bunch of wooden gears to start with. And those are made from my sticks. Okay, there we go. There's my 8 wooden gears. I gotta upgrade all these up to stone. Let's see, like so. There we go. And see, I need a little bit of glass there, a bit of piston there, that stuff there, cobble up in here. There we go. Steam engines. They suck, but they'll get the job done, hopefully. Alright, I'm going to drop down here and see if these provide enough power. Now this, I know, takes, according to the wiki, it takes 2. This one probably would work on 1. I want to find out. Okay. And it's probably not going to do anything until I've got a recipe in here. So, oh, okay. And 10. Okay. Anyway, I left clicked and it did not take away the redstone. This was just for the recipe itself, apparently. And I need a whatever this thing is. Oh, I think I needed to put water in this thing for some weird reason. Let me go figure out. Oh, I got a bucket right here. Duh. Alright. Let's see if that's true. Bucket of water. Alright, there's a bucket of water. And I gotta power this thing. Okay, not a problem. Put this here, put that there. Why this thing needs a bucket of water, I have no idea. But that should do the trick. Okay, here we go. This was some sort of circuit board. This particular one takes 10 and redstone. I got 10 redstone down here. I have no idea what goes right here. Maybe I'll figure that out later. And this is probably where the end result goes. Oh, push, push. Why it needs water, I don't know. I think I just need one or two of these things. So, one for now will work. And, let's see, now I need to go power these things too. Get out of here. Okay, there we go. Through my sticks. And this thing is a little different. This thing requires, like, more bronze. For what I'm making, it needs more bronze. So, I'll bronze it up. And I left my tin downstairs. Come back here, tin. I need you. I'll leave a little bit. Not much. And I'll probably need that redstone back, too. Okay. Get some tin here. Bronze, whatever. Not tin, need bronze. Okay. That should be plenty for now. And grab my redstone back. Most of it. And let's see here. The recipe went question mark, something like that, maybe? Maybe. Okay. Needed glass there. Let me double check the recipe on this weird stuff. So, I'm building a farm, and I need a bronze electron tube. Ah, okay, I need to put it that way. Weird stuff. I've never played with Forestry ever before. It seems quite neato. Go ahead and start these things up with a little bit of coal, and I still got my inventory all jacked up in the color scheme. Okay, I needed this here, needed that there, not there. Go ahead and put this stuff in here and see, okay, it's currently heating up slowly because it takes power to heat up, and I believe it melts the glass into some molten glass. And then it'll take all this stuff and start producing a bunch of whatever those things were I said that I needed. Electron tubes, that's it. So as soon as this thing hurries up and gets its thing going, probably going to need some more coal in here. Because I'm going to need a few of these. Alright, push, push. That's almost there. Go, you can do it. What the fudge is this? What's that do? Confused. Okay. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. This is what that's for, right? Yep, there it goes. Okay, it just did stuff. And instantly got me bronze electron tubes. Okay, that's pretty cool. That's probably good, guys. I think it'll just sit there and do its thing for now. I think I only needed yay so many for the moment. Now to figure out what else I need to do. So, farm, small circuit board, sturdy machine, 3 of these things, and some glass. Okay, that'll work. And I'll probably need this for the farm. Let's see, not there. Seriously, farm. Go away. Alright. Jeez. Oh, there we go. And I need some glass, so go ahead and throw this in here. Circuit board, glass, bronze. Okay, I need more bronze. Okay, this will work. I'm glad this way of making bronze works, because I hated messing with the dust. It really sucked. Let's see, that, and 3 glass. That should be everything I need. Put this there, and there. Bronze electron tube, okay. Glass. I think I needed 4 glass, didn't I? Unless I'm forgetting the recipe, which is completely possible. Okay, let's try this. That there. Farm. Woo! Alright, now to wait for a day and throw a farm in the ground. Now the interesting thing about the farm, I believe, is it pretty much builds itself once you gave it the proper resources. Let's see, I'm going to need a bunch of seeds and probably a bunch of dirt. I think that's all I need for the moment. Yeah. Okay, morning, here I come. Yes, I'm going to die of old age, waiting for Somnia to hurry itself up and continue going and push and give me a morning I don't really feel like waiting for, and this is exactly why I don't like Somnia, because this has got to be boring as crap for you guys. I'm sure it's boring as crap for me. This is why I hate Somnia, and I can't remove it. It sucks so hard. Alright, morning time. Have I got coal on me? Yes. Let's get out of here, hopefully without creepers exploding my buttocks. And I hear a Enderman over here doing his thing for some weird reason. And, let's see, where do I want this? I could try putting it right here for now. Dirt there. Seeds there. And I'm pretty sure this guy needs power. See, it doesn't appear to be doing anything. Let's see. Put you in there, and then I need to turn this thing on. Let's see here. I've never played with this before. Okay. You are producing power, right? Are you going to do anything? Does this thing have to be... Oh, I think it's trimming the grass right now, because I just seen some disappear right here. Yeah, it's trimming the grass. Well, that's going to take a bit. Get out of here, Thaumcraft slime. I don't even know what the thing's called exactly. Go away. Okay, well, while that's doing its thing, I guess, I'm going to take some of this out because I'm going to need it for my own devices later. I got something else I'm going to produce. Let's see, what is this thing called? A harvester? H-A-R-V. Rubber, pumpkin, cacti, sugar, infernal. No. Combine, maybe? Could be that. C-O-M. Combine. Okay, there we go. Sturdy machine, 1 more circuit board, and 3 iron electron tubes. Okay, that's not a problem. Okay, well, anyway, the farm is to build the farm and pretty much plant all your stuff for you. It'll just plant wheat. A combine will be to harvest it all for you once it's produced. And, well, I mean grown up anyway. I need one of these guys, so turn you on. Oh, I need another bucket of water. Well then. Why? Why does it need water? Okay, well, I'll just live with it. Water it needs, and water I shall provide. And that's a lot of bunny. Go away, bunny. Let's see, a little bit of water here. That'll work. I only need one of these. Hoppity hoppity like the bunnies. Anybody around here ever watch an old movie called Watership Down? It had a whole bunch of rabbits as the main character, I think. Pretty sure that's what it was. And it was strangely a kid's movie, except far had a lot of interesting things in it that honestly probably didn't belong in a kid's movie. It was a bit more adult. Okay, Boosh, give me that carpenter thingy. If I can remember how do you make this thing. Same way, except I need iron electron tubes. Crap. Okay, fine. Take away all my bronze. Throw in some iron. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and okay, I guess I gotta let this thing heat up again. Blah. Alright, went ahead and got my materials pretty much, but I'm gonna need some more engines and stuff, and this thing's just spewing water everywhere now. How weird. Alright, looks like it started building stuff, and I'll have to put a floor or something underneath all this. Probably needs more... yeah, it needs much more dirt. That's why I didn't finish. Huh. Alright, let me go grab some dirt and maybe some more seeds and see what happens. And still got engines to make and that other thing to make, but I need a bunch more dirt. Throw the seeds in. And let it do its thing. Come on, food. Let me run! Need to hurry! Go! Whoosh! Marathon runner! Okay, you. Let's see this thing in action. I don't know what the fudge is doing, but it's weird enough as it is. Alright, looks like it produced the water on its own somehow, and it's slowly building me stuff. Alright, that's Q. Pretty Q. Whoosh! Okay, well, while it builds itself, and I die of old age waiting for it, I guess I'll go continue doing what I was doing. Jump my butt over here, and make that thingy. Iron electron tubes this time, and I still need my sturdy machine. Get out of here, you. Sturdy machine. Thank you. Okay, iron here. Iron electron tube. 4 glass. And something. Oh, small circuit board. Combine. Yay. Alright, while I'm at it, I gotta make some engines, so I'll get right back with it. Okay. Well, looks like it's done building stuff. It's still gotta plant a bunch of stuff. Plant my seeds! Okay, let's see. I'm going to chuck this thing somewhere in this circle. I guess I could throw right here. That should work. That's not where I wanted that. And throw a couple engines on there. Spare engine on that. And I wonder if this will work. Yeah, that should work. And go ahead and do some stuff with this. Okay. Oop. I didn't want that there. Get off there. Okay. How does this work? I think I had to put a chest next to this, or actually, I wanted my cool out of that. Actually, what I think I will do is put this over here so I can activate it separately. And I will go get, at least for now, I'll make a chest or two, probably a double chest. And what it shall do is it will put all of the food and stuff it makes and harvests into a box. You can also hook up a bunch of you can hook up a bunch of something. Pipes. You can hook up a bunch of pipes to it if you want. And I honestly highly recommend closing the area off so all the animals don't walk all over your crops. Because that could be quite the pain. Hopefully this will work. I'll go ahead and throw in some coal in here, and then I'll just gotta have to wait for some of this stuff to grow, I guess. I ran out of seeds for now. Oh, Jeebus Creeper, go away. Okay, well, I'm gonna work on making this stuff more safe and crap. Okay, got the fence up. And a little path built. I just gotta pretty it up and stuff like that. And that way I can get in here without any trouble. And I blocked the whole entire outer rim off. Stuff still isn't quite grown yet, but it'll get there one of these days. So, how do I want this part done? I'm gonna throw in some steps and stuff. Yeah. Well, anyway, before I do that, let me grab a little bit of bone meal and then go ahead and show you guys how this thing works, pretty much. Like, we can get a good idea of exactly what it's gonna do once it has some full-grown crops. Not many full-grown crops, but some full-grown crops. And we'll see how it works. Hopefully I got the whole thing set up right. So, I'm just gonna smack some of these guys up here with a little bit of bone meal. Turn this thingy on. And see if it decides to do anything. Good question. I hope that I got this thing set up right, because I honestly don't know for sure. Hopefully. Hopefully. Let's try pipes. Let's see. I'll just make some cobble pipes. Not too many. One set of 8 will probably hopefully do the trick. Hopefully. Will it do anything? Let me remove this or move it out of the way or do something with it. I don't know. Hopefully this thing works. Do this. Yep, that works. Yay! Success! Finally! There we go. And just need a little bit of pipe, and now it'll put it all over here. And if you wanted to, you could probably use some sorting pipes of some sort and take the seeds and automatically put them over into this thing. I also think this thing will automatically draw from a chest if it needs more dirt and seeds. So it pretty much did its thing there, so I'm going to turn that thing off. And I don't have a lot of seeds yet, but go ahead and turn this thing on and let it do its thing here. Automatically planting and everything. It'll even retill your soil if this crap happens to it. It'll even refill your water if you lose some water out of it. So, that's pretty cool. So I'm going to put a block here and pretty this up a little bit more. Aha! My Klein star has filled itself up. So let's go ahead and see what I can get out of this thing. I don't know if I can pull a whole diamond block out of one. Nope, one Klein star can only really get me 6 diamonds. Almost exactly. But I honestly want to pull out another Klein star. And some more diamonds, I guess. So, anyway, the reason why is so I can actually get a whole diamond block at once, which would be nice. And go ahead and throw these things back in there. Okay, I think it's about time to throw on some finishing touches. I'm almost done with this thing. I think I can go ahead and throw on some doors in here somewhere. Let's see. If I want one door here, I want the other door somewhere around here. Let's try this. And there we go. And I need a button. I thought I had a button. I guess I don't have a button. There's a button. I have a button. Okay. Put it right there for now. There we go. That'll work. Now this is a little bit of a hallway, and I'm rearranging some of this mess. Hopefully I got enough pipes for all this. Okay. Pull all my pipes out of there. I think I'm a little shy. I think I am like 2 pipes shy or something. Let's see. I got, actually I got this right here. Where do I want to put this? Maybe right there? That'll work. It's always nice to have these just sitting around, wherever you can get to them. I wanted to make pipe. Okay. It takes 1 piece of glass, I think, and 2 stone of whatever type. I'm using crappy stone. Cobble. So that'll do the trick. Need to move you out of here, put this in here. Let's see, because I want to make this look, well, this is all going to be hidden anyway, doesn't matter. Let's see, that right there, that there. Chest. Okay. Now everything should go straight to that chest. I'll have to rearrange where I put the steam engines, I guess. I guess I just had to put them back where they were. I picked them up thinking I was going to put them somewhere else, but they ended up right there. That should work pretty good. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's some of this harvested, but I'm going to wait till the whole thing's just ready to go all at once. But in the meantime, I still got some floor to replace here. Okay, let's see if I got enough diamonds. Ew, I'm probably going to be short. Let's see if I am anywhere near close to having enough diamonds. And you can put 2 Klein stars in there at the same time if you want. 4, 5, 6, 6. Close, no cigar. However, I might have some junk I can throw away. Let's see. A little bit of nickelite. These things don't burn. I want to keep that. Zombie brain. Let's see here. I could probably chuck in a handful of sapphires and maybe a little bit of lapis. Would do the trick. Okay, let's see. Use up the rest of that and throw in all of this. Okay, that'll give me 1 more diamond. I just need 1 more diamond. Let's see, a little bit of that. 6, 7, 8. And there we go. 8 diamonds. Enough for diamond block, which should be, hopefully, what I would needed for my next little project. Let's see, let me go and make it, and then I'll find out if I'm completely wrong or not. And I'm 1 off. Keep on forgetting it needs 9. Where are you? Come here. Give me my last diamond blocks. 5, 6, 7, 8, and there we go. Yeah, lapis really, it's actually worth quite a bit, which is pretty nice. Okay, go ahead and put you away. And let me go ahead and look this thing up. Let's see, it was some sort of condenser? Energy. Nah, I don't remember if that was it or not. Let's see, let me go look this thing up. Aha! It was an antimatter relay. Okay, there we go. Now, this thing should be pretty nice, assuming I've got everything I need. I think this is how it's made. Yep, antimatter relay. Now, this thing is pretty cute. I'm gonna go ahead and just teach it to this thing so I can make one later if I really need to. I'm going to chuck this thing right here, right there. And what it will do is, if I've only got, say, 1 Klein star in one of these, and the other one's outside in the wall, let me grab that one out of there real quick. If I've got, say, 1 Klein star, oh geez, and I could put that Klein star in any one of these, actually. It doesn't have to go into the center one. Am I burning my Klein star? Okay, there we go. It will absorb the energy from any connected, whatever these things were called, energy collectors? Yeah. And it'll put them all into one. However, it gets bonuses for being connected. I can't remember exactly what those bonuses are right off the top of my head, but it also depends on what level this thing is. The first level, I think, only gets 1 extra bit of energy per tick per one it's connected to, and that's why you would only want to have you'd want to have at least 3 of these things before you built an antimatter relay, because you don't get a bonus. It's not worth it until you've got several of them connected, because I don't think it produces any energy on its own. It only produces energy in its bonus from being connected to other things. So the more these things I stick on it, the more it will absorb. And if I update or upgrade this thing once, it'll get more energy per tick per connected device, which ought to be pretty nice. Well, now for the last thing. To go ahead and turn this thing on. Harvester, combine, whatever it is. Combine, I believe. And we'll see how it goes. Most of this stuff is grown, not everything. And it is harvesting, apparently, from the outside edge. Should be throwing these things down here somewheres. Is it working? I hope so. No, I forgot something here. Alright. And, large chest. It's connected. Is it working? Maybe it's just slow to get going. These things make me wonder, really. I know it works, because I've seen it work before. Whoosh! Whoosh! Hope this thing still works. What a mess. Ah, there it goes. I guess it just takes a little while for it to warm up, and then it'll start spitting stuff out. It'll probably even work with the chest right next to it, now that I think about it. I just didn't give it time to warm up. So, if you look real closely, it's spitting out seeds and the wheat at the same time. Like these two right here didn't have any seeds with it. That one does. So, let's see, where are these? Okay, it's taking them from over here. Alrighty, there we go. That's what I wanted to see. Now, if I want to, which I do, I'm going to go ahead and put this thing on. Pull some seeds out of here, and I guess most of them haven't gotten here yet. They're still on their way. Come here, seeds. Hurry up. That's the problem with that particular cobblestone pipe. It's slow. Real slow. But it'll still get there. So, this thing probably is going to take its sweet time warming up. It's starting to plant some things. That's good. And we'll see this whole thing kind of just renew itself after a while. It's going to take a while. Oh, I still got to put some coal in here. Alright. Make sure I got enough in here. Yeah, they're doing okay. Okay, well, with this particular system, you could build a nice automated farm. Just make sure you got enough fuel and power going. Later on, I'm going to basically build a nice new power plant because a whole bunch of the devices I want to build actually run off of Buildcraft type power. Except, I'm going to do it a bit differently than I did in the last video. Instead of refining oil, I'm going to try making a whole peat fired pretty much a whole factory of peat-fired engines, and I'm going to have to make one of these things, except for it grows peat instead of wheat, and that ought to work pretty good. I want to see if I can just completely run and eventually automate an entire system doing that, because Forestry's got peat-fired engines, and yeah, they ought to work pretty good. Now, I know I don't have as much trouble with them because I don't think they can explode, which is definitely a good bonus. Because I don't really want my stuff exploding when I walk away like I did last time. Those, some of those other engines, particularly those combustion engines, are a bit dangerous when they just, you know, willy-nilly explode left and right. But I don't think I got to worry about the peat-fired engines. I don't even think I need to put water in them. I don't think. Maybe I do. But in any case, they just won't explode, which would be quite a nice bonus. Alright, let's see if I can pretty this up a nudge. See, I need just a little bit more of this. I actually think I'm going to put some stairs here. I wonder if the old trick still works, where you can stick upside down stairs there. Actually, I don't think this is a new version, and it hadn't been updated at all, so yeah, this will work just fine. Sometimes you wonder if they're going to fix bugs or not, so in this case, I don't know if they consider this a bug. So, plenty of wheat and a good bit of seeds I got off of this whole mess. That's good news. I like it a lot. And it's almost done replanting everything. Just got a little bit here to go, and a little bit over there to go, and that'll be that. I was thinking about doing the bog, the peat farm first, but I figured, you know, let's start with what you really need, and what I really need right now is food. So, next time when I make something like this, it'll be probably a bunch of peat bog of some sort. But I think I got to get some special resources for that. I might have to make some more nether trips or something. But I'll worry about that when I actually, decide to do something later. I might do something else before then. I still got a whole bunch of resources to get and stuff, and that's gonna suck. Alright, well guys, that's it for the day. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you later.